Let's watch Spanish moss and know about it. Spanish moss is a type of bromeliad that grows as an epiphyte, meaning it doesn't grow in soil but instead attaches itself to trees and other plants. It's called Spanish moss because of its resemblance to the long beards owned by Spanish conquistadors, and it is native to southeastern United States. Spanish moss is gray or greenish in color and can grow up to several feet long. It is often used in landscaping and decorative arrangements and is a favorite for hummingbirds, which use it for building their nests. The plant does not have roots and absorbs nutrients and water from the air. Despite its delicate appearance, it is a tough and hardy plant that can withstand high temperatures and long periods of drought. Spanish moss consists of one or more slender stems bearing alternate, thin, curved or curly leaves that grow vegetatively in a chain-like fashion, forming hanging structures of up to 6 meters. Flowers are not noticeable features on Spanish moss unless you look closely. The tiny green flowers are solitary and have 3 petals. It does not damage host plant in any way, as this unusual plant does not set roots. Partial sun is preferable for this plant. Watering is done through water baths or misting. It does not like dry air and requires protection from cold winds and frost in cooler climates. Since it's an epiphyte, the plant doesn't need compost to grow, so fix it to a piece of wood or other frame from which it can hang down like it would naturally from a tree. Spanish moss is used in several ways. These days it is used in landscaping. It can be used as a decorative element in gardens, hanging baskets, and trees. The soft, silky fronds of Spanish moss are often used in flower arrangements. It is used as a filler in wreaths and garlands. It is used in making nests. It is used as insulation material in buildings and as a packing material. The best way of propagating this plant is by using its offshoots. Simply trim these off and place them on a tree bark or a piece of wood or hang them with a plastic hook. Don't use iron hook. Water the plant when it is dry and give it a good soaking from the top when it needs it. It is used in traditional medicine for wound healing, insomnia, respiratory problems, diarrhea. It is important to note that Spanish moss may contain substances that are toxic to humans and animals and should not be used internally without the guidance of a healthcare professional. As you have seen, it is a unique and fascinating plant. It is easy to take care for, and it's a great choice for those who are looking to add some greenery to their outdoor spaces. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.